All right, everybody, I have taken my time, reflected, had some time to relax, and came up with the four principles of self-care. The idea of this is that we have a solid framework to view all things moving on. We have a base to kind of call on to always ground us in what self-care is, just in case we get off the tracks. Now, I've written it down just to make sure that I stay to the point and I don't add in additional information, keeping it a little bit more streamlined. I'm told that I put too much information into a video, therefore people have to rewatch it several times to get what I mean. So this is my attempt at limiting my habit of doing that, getting too excited. All right, so the first that we look at are the elements of health. We know these elements are emotional health, mental health, and physical health. Perfect. Now we're going to go in their purposes so that we have a very strong idea of what they are every time we mention them. All right. The purpose of emotional health is to restore or to recover. That is its function. Second, mental health, the purpose of this is to solve or analyze issues based on what is consciously known. So we must know it first, consciously, to do the solving thing. Perfect. Now we move on to physical health. The purpose of physical health is to quantify or prove. This meaning, do we have this thing? Did we actually do it? Is the outcome what we wanted the outcome to do or to be? And if not, then we don't have the physical health factor. Perfect. These are the three elements of health based on the self-care principles.